Just admiring my hair. It really looks good. It does. Hi everybody, how are you all doing today? So today's video is going to be a first impression come review come tutorial-ish kind. I'm not really that great at hair stuff, but I do try out different things here and there, and if you look at the history behind all the most popular videos of my channel, they've all been hair based. Surprising. I don't know how that's even possible because I know nothing about hair. So let me see if I'm looking fine. Okay, so what I did is I did wash my hair today and I did straighten this out, but it doesn't really look that great, but we'll see what we can do. So I'm going to review this chopstick hair curler today. It's by Havells and I got it some time back, but I haven't really gotten a chance to try it out because of the pandemic, of course, because I don't usually go for curling my hair. It's very rare, like I might have curled my hair like maybe thrice in my whole life. So there's one reason that I don't curl is because I don't know how to. So I am really new at this. So all of you guys who all are new today, so you'll be seeing how this is. I have this right here. This is how it looks like. So this is the chopstick hair curlers, and chopstick is the name because of how it looks like. It's pretty thin and like it's like a chopstick. So the name speaks for itself. And okay, so I paid 1812 rupees. Let's see if they have any change in the price now. Okay, so this is being sold for 2295 rupees on Myntra right now as we speak. This is in the month of October 2020. If anybody is interested in knowing, let me see how much it costs on Amazon. Let's do the comparison, especially because it's some shopping festival going on Amazon. So on Amazon it's pretty cheap. It's much cheaper than what I actually got it for. It's only 1330 rupees, and it might also be because they have a sale going on right now. So you can see that it's much cheaper on Amazon. So if you guys are interested, if you like how my hair would look today, you might as well not miss a chance and go buy this right away. But I'm not promoting it. This is not sponsored. I mean, nobody's sponsoring me. Come on, let's be honest. It has a swivel cord to prevent twisting and tangling of wire, cool insulated tip, ceramic coated rectangular barrel, PTC heater hair curler heats up in 60 seconds. So they claim that it heats up in 60 seconds. We're going to test that. I mean, we'll see how it goes. We'll see. Okay, so I've got 4.3 rating on Myntra here. They started reviews and pictures and everything on Myntra long ago. So if people have got pictures over here, they look pretty good, but I'm kind of unsure about the kind of look I am going for. So some of the reviews on Amazon read good in quality but bad in holding. Someone says nice product, another person says worth for money, and all of these are verified purchases, and the average customer review would be 4.4 out of 5 on Amazon. So review wise it's pretty okay, it's not bad. So I'm actually sitting here because I have the plug point right there, and we're going to try this out today. And they claim that it gets heated up in like 60 seconds. So let's see, and I hope I don't burn my fingers because that's always the case with me, and that's one of the reasons why I don't usually, you know, go for curling my hair. I do straighten it, but straightening is much easier because our fingers are not really touching or coming anywhere near the heat rod thingy. But I'm excited. So I plugged it in and I've switched it on, and we have a button over here. I didn't switch this on, but that's good. I've seen a lot of hair appliances which just switch on the moment you switch on the plug, which is not safe. I might be very stupid in saying that, but there are a few hair appliances which do that. So okay, so I've just switched this on, and here you can see the red light. That means it's on. It's kind of a weird thing because when you are waiting for it to get heated up, we kind of don't know where to keep it, and we have to, you know, find a safe place where we can put it. So I think that's a drawback of some kind, because when it comes to straighteners, You can just leave it anywhere, it won't catch the heat or whatever you call it. But because it's a curling iron, like the whole thing is going to get heated up, so like the whole 360 degrees, so that's kind of tricky part. Okay, so because it's a chopstick hair curler, you will get really thin curls, and that works if that's the look you're going for, but I personally don't. Not sure why I got this, but I've seen that you have much more thicker rollers and then you have these chopstick ones. So I don't want the thick rolls, you know, that's not the look I'm going for. So I'm kind of going to try to take a bit thicker chunks, not very thin layers, and I'm going to try how it looks like on me. I should have gotten some hair clips, but we worked through it. Okay. So I have this chunk right here. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it down. Okay, I'm really nervous. This is the first time I'm doing it on my channel or in person, but I'm going to wait for a few seconds and let's see. I have no idea how long I should wait. I'm just going to try to leave it in some time. This is a joke. What is this? I mean, I do see it's hot. Okay, I do see some curls, alright. Do you see that? These are curls. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of front part so that it's better for you to see. I'm sure you can't see this. Let me give it a nice brush. And okay, let's do it. I'm going to go downwards because I feel like it's easier for me to move my hair around if it's down as opposed to when it was up. Okay, so we are going to count till 7, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do it. Alright, here you go. It's not looking bad. Let me pull that up for you. Okay. So do you see this? This is looking kind of interesting because I took out, you know, thicker chunks and not the chopstick style. It has a different crimp kind of an effect. I don't hate it. Alright, so let's do the front part now. I'm taking a bit of thicker hair because I don't want those noodle looking hairs, you know. Alright, and I'll just fast forward for you guys so that you don't get bored of me. Right, so I finished it. I turned it off. It was very tricky because I didn't have a big mirror over here and I had to film it, so I tried my best. And this is how I look like. I wore this hoodie because I didn't want to burn myself, but I didn't realize that it's black and you can hardly see. But here is the final product. And I just mixed and matched according to how I wanted it, but because I didn't have a full view mirror, a few curls and a few chunks that I took out are not matching overall length of the curls. But I'm sure you can mix and match, and this is the first time me using it, so I'm sure if I get practice I will do much better and I can create much better curls with this. But I don't hate it, and this is really nice. You just need a little bit of hairspray and you can just crimp it like that and it's good to go. I mean, I really like it. Like, this is the first time I'm trying it. I am serious, guys, and this is amazing. Like, I do not hate it and it's totally worth it. If you guys are on right now, Amazon's sale is going on and you can get it for $1,300, which is really nice because I paid $1,800 for this. So guys, like, seriously, it's totally worth it. I mean, it really goes well with my makeup. And if you want to know how I got this, you can also have this look. Like, I mean, you can have this hair if you use the curls, but you can also get this makeup look. And I'm going to tell you how. You're going to click here, you'll find the makeup tutorial and you will rock this look. So let me know. That's all for this video today, guys. Let me know if you liked it and please subscribe if you're new to the channel. I am really excited to try out different things, and this is a review after so long, and this is a thumbs up for me. This is a really nice hair color, the chopstick color. It's really nice. I mean, I don't have anything negative to say about it. It's just that it's tricky and I'm new to this, and once you get the hang of it, you'll do wonders. And it gets heated up really fast. Let me see if it's cold right now. I mean, I'm not going to even try doing that. I mean, I'm really scared of all these things. So yeah, please thumbs up if you like the video and do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.